Hello, and welcome back to Kitchen Counter Yoga. As you can see, the kitchen counter is over there, and I am over here next to my trusty wall. For some of our balance poses, the wall is just as good a prop as the kitchen counter, and in this case, even better. The pose we're about to do is Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. This pose is actually kind of challenging in a yoga class, but with the wall behind you, it makes it quite easy. So let's get started. We'll take this pose to the left first. Besides your wall, you need one other prop, either a stack of books or a yoga block. These are very handy because they're lightweight and you can move them around easily if they're not in exactly the right position. So set your prop, your books or your block, about 2 inches out from the wall. And set your left foot 4 or 5 inches out from the wall. Set your right foot really under your right hip, as if you're walking. A very normal movement, nothing extreme here. And in this walking posture, reach forward as if you're going to pick something up. As you're reaching forward, you'll feel your back shoulder and your back hip brush against the wall. Keep reaching. You're going to pick something up and your back leg naturally lifts. So, pressing down into your bottom arm, once your leg is lifted, open your back hip, open your shoulders, feel the stability in the pose. And once you feel like you have it really stable, lift your top arm up and extend long through all 4 limbs of your body, really reaching. This is a great stretch to do when you come home from work. You're tired, you've had a long day. Do a couple of stretches, warm up your body, and reach into an Ardha Chandrasana. It's incredibly invigorating. To come out, bring your top arm down, bend your bottom knee, let your back leg float down to the earth, and here you are. You're back in a walking position. Let's try this to the other side. So, moving your prop, your books or your block, just a couple inches out from the wall. Your foot is 4 or 5 inches out from the wall, so that you're going to feel your back shoulder and your back hip brush against the wall as you reach towards something. Your left leg, in this case, is just right under your left hip, normal walking posture. Nothing complicated here, nothing torqued or turned. Your right foot is pointing straight forward. Reach forward. Let that back hip rise up. Reach that back arm up. Move your prop if you need to, so that you're resting straight down on that prop, straight up through your top arm, straight out through all 4 limbs. Breathe into this pose and enjoy the length of your torso and the length of your 4 limbs. And again, when you're ready to come out, bend that front knee, come back into a walking posture, Ardha Chandrasana. very strengthening for the tops of your thighs, very lengthening for your entire body, very invigorating after a day of work, and you have the whole evening in front of you. So try it at home. Try it with your wall. Try it with your props, your book or your block. And I'll see you next time for our next balance pose. Namaste.